In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a histogram in Excel. We will walk through each click together so you can follow along on your own sheet. First, enter your numbers in one column. Start by choosing a single column, for example column A, and type one value in each cell going straight down. Make sure there are no blank rows inside this list, since empty cells can break the groups later. As you type, you will only see plain numbers, no chart yet, and that is exactly what we want at this stage. If your data is already in Excel, just confirm that all the numbers you want to analyze sit in one continuous vertical block. Once your data is in the column, select all the numbers. You can click the first cell that has a value, hold the mouse, then drag down to the last cell. A quicker way is to click the top value, then hold the Shift key and click the bottom value so the whole range highlights at once. When the cells are selected, they will appear with a colored outline and the background of the selected cells changes slightly. Take a second to check that you did not grab extra empty rows or headers because the histogram should only use the numeric values. Now click Insert. Look near the top of Excel for the ribbon, that long strip of tabs with words like Home and Page Layout. Click the tab that says Insert and the set of buttons below it will switch to Show Chart and Illustration Tools. If you use Excel a lot, you will visit this tab often, since it holds almost every chart type you can build. From there, click Insert Statistic Chart. In the Charts area on the Insert tab, look for a button that shows small bars and might be labeled with the word Statistic. Click it once to open a small menu of chart types that work with distributions and summaries. When the menu opens, you will see several little icons, each representing a different statistical chart. Next up, click Histogram. In that same menu, find the icon that looks like bars stuck together with no spaces, and the tooltip should say histogram when you hover your mouse over it. Click it a single time. As soon as you do, Excel uses your selected numbers to build the chart without asking for any more options. Excel will automatically create the histogram. You will see a new chart appear on your sheet, usually in the middle, with vertical bars grouped into bins along the horizontal axis. Each bar shows how many values fall in that range, so taller bars mean more numbers in that interval. You can click on the chart border to move it or drag a corner to resize it until it fits your layout. The chart is already linked to your data, so if you change a value in the column, the shape of the bars will update right away. You have now taken a plain list of numbers and turned it into a clear histogram in Excel, showing how your data is distributed. If this helped you build your first histogram, give the video a quick thumbs up so others can find it, and subscribe if you would like more simple Excel guides.